Hello everyone, welcome back to my Chevy studio. Today I'm going to make some journal art and it's going to be a Hello July journal page. As you can see, I have some stuff here. I have distress inks, I have Karin brush markers, I have blending tools, stencil with dots, and I have also dies with letters because I'm going to cut a July sign. And I have to tell you that I finally bought a die cutting machine and I'm really excited. So let's see my new stuff. This cutting machine is rather small. It's for A5 size of cards, and it has this beautiful minty color, and I really love it. Let's try it. I put my July sign, this small dice, and I'm very curious how it's going to look like. Oh, by the way, I have a storm right now, so I hope you're not going to hear it. But let's leave this sign for a while, and I have to make a sketch. My idea is to have a card with a watermelon, and also I'm going to use these watermelon colors. That's why you can see distress inks, worn lipstick, and lucky clover. And I will start with stencil, and this is a stencil with dots. And my idea is to have these two colors, dots with these two colors. So let's make some blending. I'm going to use also the third color, and it's apple green from Deco Time, because as you know, watermelon is not only in one color. There are two green colors, lighter green and the darker. So I think it will do the job, and my sketch is going to look more like a watermelon. After blending, it's time for watercoloring, and that is why I'm using Karin brush markers. The color is magenta red, and I really love it. I really love Karin brush markers. I said it before, but I will say it again. And this color is perfect for watermelon. And now to green colors. Let's glue the sign. First I will glue the borders of the letters, and I was thinking if I should leave it like it is, but then I decided that I will also add the whole letters, the center of these borders. And I will brush it with Karin markers as well, and I hope it's going to look nice. Let's glue the center of the letters, and I already see that it looks nice, really nice. Using black fine liner, I'm drawing the seeds. And this is another of my new stuff. This is a Lablel Maker, and I have a black tape inside, and I'm going to type hello delicious and glue it to the card. Let's add some sparkles, and this is why I'm using my nail decorations as usual, and I'm going to glue some circles. I need to trim the card a little bit to make it fit to the journal. And the last step, as always, is gluing the card into the journal. So I think I'm pleased with the effect. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my idea of July journal page, and happy birthday to all of the people born in July. And this is a great month. It's a holiday, summer vacations, so have a nice time and see you soon. Bye.